go fishing in the river at the bottom of the hill. Make our rods out of willow branches, line and worm tied on the end. We can sit in this glorious sunshine and wait for the fish to bite. If they do, we'll just throw them back and we'll be sitting there side by side. We'll be fishing even though we might catch nothing. I'll be spending my time with you. I've got so bored with computer games, anyway the boys won't let me play. So I'll sit here on the banks of the river with you all afternoon. We'll be fishing even though we might catch nothing. I'll be spending my time with you. Port Ferry! I saw a trout right there in the water. It disappeared before my eyes. Probably somewhere underneath the weeds, or where the river's so quick you can't quite see through it. And hey, if we only catch minnows all day, it really doesn't matter, cause we're here sharing the afternoon. Me and you, you and me and you, and we'll be fishing even though we might catch nothing. I'll be spending my time with you even though we might catch nothing. I'll be here with you even though we might catch nothing. I'll be spending my time with you. If you want to be my lover, gotta get with my friends. Make things last forever, cause friendship never ends.